Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is an online transcription service that can convert audio or video files into text. So as a freelancer, your job is to listen to the audio or video and transcript it to a text. So we already did a video about how to be a customer on Transcribe. Today's video will be about how to be a freelancer, how to start your job on TranscribeMe. So let's get started by creating your own account. I already created an account, but I will show you the steps. So here you put your first name, your last name, the country you live in, and the region in that country that you live in, you are actually in. You put your email and you choose a password and check this and click on sign up. Then you hit your Gmail account or any email are using and verify your email. Then you just have to go back and log into your account. Your account has been not activated. Please check your email and follow the procedure to activate your account. So as I said, you hit to Gmail or depending on your address emails account. So you look for TranscribeMe email here and hello and your name. Thanks for registering on with Transcribe. We are delighted that you have chosen to work with us. You are almost ready to get started. Please click the link below to verify your email and enter the workup. So click on the email and here we are continuing to fill up the language informations. So here, transcription language you can transcribe that are available on our platform. So I can do English, French. I think those are all the language I can speak. The native language, the language you speak freely, your main language. So for me it's Arabic. Additional language, Arabic again to fill up this. We have okay, that's all I think. So yes. Next, we have work experience, transcription experience. You can't put 0, so you have to put less than a year, less than a year. Source language, let's try between Arabic and English. There is no difference for me. Yes, my English is bad, really bad. The area of expertise, let's put general because I have no expertise. Here you fill up your real important informations. You can't proceed to your account without finishing those informations. So I'm cutting the video right here so I can fill up those information. Now after finishing sign up service, welcome to TranscribeMe Work Hub. Now that you have registered, the first step is complete the entrance exam in the language in which you transcribed. So English entrance exam closed. English entrance exam, advanced, special styles, accent, French, closed, reactivation closed. So can I just take the exam now? Anything. This exam is currently closed. Why? I don't know. Let's go back to exams. Let's choose the French exam. Not available. Canadian. I don't think I can. Is not available. Closed. Not available, not available, not available. Nope. Not available, not available, not available. Not available, not available, not available. Please read the document first. So the only exam available is Canadian French. Bienvenue sur le workshop de TranscribeMe. Pour rejoindre notre équipe française principale, vous devez passer à l'examen de transcription de français. Veuillez noter que vous devez respecter toutes les règles décrites dans le guide de style français que vous pouvez télécharger sur cette page. So I have to take the exam in French. So all the website is becoming French. I don't know how. Here is the guide to learn about French, to learn the grammar. So I can take the exam. And I will take the exam without anything. What is this? Directive pour l'examen français. Oh, the conditions. Okay, this is a lot too not. Ah, it's in French. Attempt the exam. So I'm taking an exam in this video. I sure can stop the video till I pass the exam.